Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine at your home. Stay home and stay safe. Today I am here with you to teach you one lesson from your literature reader. The Browning version. Browning version written by Terence Rattigan. Browning version written by Terence Rattigan. He was a British dramatist. Most of his plays are set in an upper middle class background. This is an excerpt taken from the play Browning version. Listen, let's see the introduction once more. The Browning version written by Terence Rattigan. He was a British dramatist. Most of his plays are set in an upper middle class background. This is an excerpt taken from the play The Browning version. Now let's see the important characters in the play. Listen. Frank, schoolmaster. Crocker Harris, schoolmaster. Frank is young. Crocker Harris, a middle-aged school teacher. Taplow, student. Millie, wife of Crocker Harris. These are the important characters in this play. Listen, who are the important characters in this play? Frank, young schoolmaster. Crocker Harris, middle-aged schoolmaster. Taplow, student. Millie, wife of Crocker Harris. The theme of this play is relation between a student and a teacher. Gauri, what is the theme of this play? Relation between a student and a teacher. Now all of you take your literature reader. This is an excerpt from the Browning version. This part is taken from the play Browning version. The scene is set in a school. The scene of the play is set in a school. Frank is young and Crocker Harris middle-aged. Frank is young and Crocker Harris middle-aged. Both are masters. Frank and Crocker Harris, they are masters. That means school teachers. Taplow is a boy of 16 who has come in to do extra work for Crocker Harris. Taplow is a student having 16 years old who has come in to do an extra work for Crocker Harris. Then he has come in school to do an extra work for Crocker Harris. But the latter has not yet arrived. Crocker Harris has not arrived and Frank finds Taplow waiting. Franco is a teacher. He notices that Taplow is waiting for Crocker Harris. Listen, the scene is set in a school. Frank is young. Crocker Harris, a middle-aged teacher. Taplow is a boy having 16 years old. Crocker Harris asked him to come to school to do some extra work. Taplow is waiting for him. Frank notices that Taplow is waiting. This is the scene. Listen. Frank, do I know you? Frank asked Taplow, do I know you? Taplow, no sir. Taplow said, no sir. Frank, what's your name? Frank asked him, what's your name? Taplow, my name is Taplow. Frank, Taplow, no, I don't. You are not a scientist, I gather. Then Frank again asked him, you are not a scientist. That means you are not a science student. Is it right? Taplow, no sir, I am still in the lower fifth. He said, I am still in the lower fifth. I can't specialize until next step. I can't specialize until next step. Now I am in 5th grade. That's to say, if I have got my remove, all right. What is the meaning of the word remove here? Result. If I have got my result, all right. Then I did not get my result. Frank asked him, are you a science student? Frank said that, no sir, I am still in the lower fifth. I can't specialize until next term. Next term only I can specialize. That's to say, if I have got my remove, all right. Frank, don't you know if you have got your remove, Frank, again asking him, don't you know if you have got your remove? Have you got your result? Tableau, no sir. Mr. Crocker Harris does not tell us the results like the other masters. Tableau said, no sir, I did not get my result. Mr. Crocker Harris does not tell us the result like other teachers. I don't know my result. Mr. Crocker Harris does not tell us the results like other teachers. Who said? Tableau said. Frank, why not? Tableau, well, you know what he is like, sir. Frank asked him, why? Tableau, well, you know what he is like. You know his behavior, sir. Frank, I believe there is a rule that for results should only be announced by the headmaster on the last day of term. Frank said, I believe there is a rule in school that for results should only be announced by the headmaster. There is a rule in the school, results should be announced by the headmaster on the last day of term. Tableau, yes. But who else pays attention to it? But nobody gives attention to it except Mr. Crocker Harris. The Tableau said that. But who else pays attention to it except Mr. Crocker Harris? That means except Crocker Harris, all other teachers are ready to say the result to their students. So here Tableau said, yes, but who else pay attention to except Mr. Crocker Harris? Frank, I don't. I admit. But that's no criterion. So you have got to wait until tomorrow to know your fate. Have you? Then Frank said, I don't. I admit. But there is no criteria. So you have got to wait until tomorrow to know your fate. Fate here means result. So you have to wait until tomorrow to know your result. Have you? Is it right? Frank said. Tableau, yes sir. Frank, supposing the answer is favorable. What then? Suppose if the answer is favorable. That means if you pass, what's your next plan? Tableau, oh science. Sir, of course. Frank, yes, we get all the slackers. Then Frank said, yes, we get all the slackers. What do you mean by the word slacker here? A lazy student. Tableau, I am extremely interested in science, sir. Frank, Tableau said, I am extremely interested in science, sir. Frank, are you? I am not. But Frank said, I am not. Not at least. In the science, I have to teach. Then again he said, I don't like. In the science, I have to teach more and more. Tableau, well, anyway, sir, it's a good deal more exciting than this muck. Tableau again said, well, anyway, sir, it's a good deal more exciting than this muck. Muck here means rubbish. Then he said this by indicating his book. It's a good deal more exciting than this muck. Frank, what's this muck? Tableau, Aeschylus. Aeschylus, a Greek playwright. Sir, the Agamemnon means a Greek tragedy. This book, a muck. Frank, and your considered view is that the Agamemnon is muck, then you consider that this Greek tragedy is a muck? Tableau, well, no sir, I don't think the play is muck. Again he said, I don't think the play is rubbish exactly. I suppose, in a way, it's rather a good plot. The plot is good, the theme is good, the play is good. But really, a wife murdering her husband and all that. The theme of this play is a wife murdering her husband and all that. I only meant the way it's taught to us. I like the play. Why I said muck is the way it's taught to us. That's not good. Just a lot of Greek words strung together and 50 lines if you get them wrong. Tableau said, I like this book. The play is good, theme is good, everything is good. But the way it's taught to us, that's good. That I said. Frank, you sound a little bitter, Tableau. Then why you are saying in such a manner, Tableau? Tableau, I am rather, sir. Frank, Captain. Tableau, no sir, extra work. I am here for doing extra work. Frank, extra work on the last day of school? Frank is asking, extra work on the last day of your school? Tableau, yes sir. And I might be playing golf. You would think he had have enough to do anyway himself. considering he is leaving tomorrow for good. But oh no, I missed a last week when I was ill. So here I am and look at the weather, sir. Taplow said, yes, sir, and I might be playing golf. Then actually I am waiting here. Crocker Harris told me to come here. I might be playing golf. I would like to play golf. Then you would think he would have enough to do anyway himself, considering he is leaving tomorrow for good. But oh no, I missed a day last week when I was ill. Last week I missed a day last week when I was ill. I did not come to school. So the teacher asked me to come here today. So here I am. And look at the weather, sir. Taplow said. Frank, bad luck. Still there is one comfort. You are pretty well certain to get your removed tomorrow for being a good boy in taking extra work. Frank said. Bad luck. Still there is one comfort. You are pretty well certain to get your removed tomorrow. You will get your result tomorrow for being a good boy in taking extra work. Then you are a good boy, so you came here for doing extra work. Taplow. Well, I am not so sure, sir. That would be true of the ordinary masters. All right. They just would not dare not to give a chap a remove after his taking extra work. But those sort of rules don't apply to the Mr. Crocker Harris. I asked him yesterday outright if he had given me a remove, and do you know what he said, sir? Then Taplow said, I am not sure, sir. I don't know, sir. That would be true of the ordinary masters. That would be true for ordinary masters. All right. They just would not dare not to give up a student a remove after his taking extra work. Then his behavior is not like other teachers. Crocker Harris' behavior is not like other teachers. But those sort of rules don't apply to the Mr. Crocker Harris. Mr. Crocker Harris is totally different from other teachers. So I am not sure, sir. I asked him yesterday outright if he had given me a remove, and do you know what he said? Then yesterday I asked him if he had given me a remove, and do you know what he said, sir? Yesterday I asked him about this. Do you know what he said, sir? Frank, no. What? Taplow, imitating a very gentle, rather throaty voice, imitating the voice of the Crocker Harris, he said, my dear Taplow, I have given you exactly what you deserve. No less and certainly no more. Do you know, sir? I think he may have marked me down rather than up for taking extra work. I mean, the man's hardly human. Listen, Frank asked him for what? Taplow said. Then imitating Crocker Harris' voice, he said, my dear Taplow, I have given you exactly what you deserve. The sir said, I have given you exactly what you deserve because you are absent one day. So I asked you to do the extra work. No less and certainly no more. Do you know, sir? I think he may have marked me down. Again, Taplow is saying he may have marked me down rather than up for taking extra work. I mean, the man's hardly inhuman. That means the man is inhuman. Hardly is a negative word. Man's hardly inhuman. Sorry, sir. Have I gone too far? Taplow is asking. Have I gone too far? Frank, yes, much too far. Taplow, sorry, sir. I got carried away. I got carried away here means to get very excited. Frank, evidently. Taplow, yes, sir. Frank, what was that Crocker Harris said to you? Just repeat it, would you? Then again Frank is asking, what was the Crocker Harris said to you? Please tell me. Taplow, my dear Taplow, I have given you exactly what you deserve. No less and exactly no more. Again Taplow is saying, my dear Taplow, I have given you exactly what you deserve. No less and no more. Frank, not in the least like him. Read your nice Aeschylus and be quiet. Then Frank said, then you do one thing. You read the book and be quiet. Taplow, Aeschylus. Frank, look what time Mr. Crocker Harris tell you to be here. Frank is again asking, in what time did Crocker Harris tell you to come here? Taplow, 6:30, sir. Frank, well, he's 10 minutes late. Why don't you cut You could still play golf before lockup. Then do one thing. Well, he is 10 minutes late. Why don't you cut? You could still play golf before lockup. Then you go and play golf. Tableau. Oh no, I couldn't cut. I couldn't go from here. Cut the crock, Mr. Crocker Harris. I should not think it's ever been done in the whole time he has been here. I am afraid. I am not ready to go from here. God knows what would happen if I did. Again he said, God knows what will happen if I did. If I go from here, if I cut his class, God knows what will happen. That means he is very strict. He would probably follow me home or something. Again Tableau said, if I cut his class, he would probably come follow my home or something. Frank, I must admit, I envy him the effect he seems to have on you boys in the form. You all seem scared to death of him. Then you all scared. I admit it. What does he do? Beat you all or something? Frank again asking, I know that he is very strict, that you all are afraid of him. What does he do? Beat you all or something? Tableau, good Lord, no, he is not a sadist like one or two of the others. Good Lord, no, he is not a sadist. What do you mean by the word sadist here? Someone who gets pleasure out of giving pain. Tableau here said, Crocker Harris is not a sadist like one or two of the others. Then listen the dialogue of Tableau, like one or two of the others. Frank, I beg your pardon. Tableau, a sadist. Sir, he is someone who gets pleasure out of giving pain. Frank, indeed, but I think you went on to say that some other masters. Then Frank said, I think you went on to say that some other masters are sadists here. Is it right? Here ends the first part. First scene. Then what we have seen today, this lesson, the Browning version written by Terence Rattigan. He was a British dramatist. Most of his plays are set in an upper middle class background. This is an excerpt taken from the play Browning version. Who are the important characters in this lesson? Frank, schoolmaster; Crocker Harris, schoolmaster; Tableau, student. These are the important characters that we have seen today. Then in the beginning, the first scene is set in a school. Tableau is waiting for Crocker Harris. Crocker Harris asked him to come to do an extra work because he was absent in one day. Frank notices that Tableau is waiting there. So Frank is asking several questions to him. Today we have seen the dialogue between Frank, the young schoolmaster, and Tableau, the student having 16 years old. I think all of you understand this portion. Read the lesson. I will send you the notes through Google Classroom. Thank you all.